Blessed New Year, everyone. Hope everyone had a great time, no? And a fulfilling year last year sa 2023. And of course, ngayon 2024, we really hope and pray, no, in behalf of all First Services na all of you will have the best health and of course, no, the best time with God, our family, and lahat ng pinanalangin natin ay masagot, no? And we claim that because indeed this year will be a year of breakthrough, miracles, forgiveness and healing, abundance for all of us. And right now, I'm here. Yan. So, dito ako, kakabike lang. Kasi ang focus advocacy namin ay, ngayon na, ang focus advocacy natin sa First Services is about optimizing our physiological health. And of course, bago namin isulong yung advocacy na yan, kami muna mga miyembro at leader ang dapat na nagsisimula niyan, ina-apply both for personal and advocacy purposes. So again, Blessed New Year at tutuloy ko na yung pag-gabay ka. God bless everyone.